How fix memory management BSOD error on Windows. 1. Update device and video card, GPU, driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Run a disk check by a chkdsk/r command. 3. Run Windows memory diagnostic test, via MEM test 86. 4. Check newly installed software and hardware. Remove that item and see if this helps. Note, you may need to reset your system hardware. 5. Scan for possible virus infection using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 6. Repair system files. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scanhealthism/online/cleanupimage/restore health 7. Other options, upgrade your PC's hardware, performance, like increasing virtual memory. Revert your PC settings to default. Update your OS. Clean your temporary files and folders. Remove recently installed software. Check the programs causing memory leaks via Windows Clean Boot. Restart your computer and see if the memory management error continues.